Wait, are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make eggs in the microwave.
Mm-hmm.
So all you need is
What are you looking for?
a bowl. All you need
Right there, right there, right there. Right there in that drawer. In that drawer. Right fucking there. Right there.
Why the fuck do you keep bowls in here? This one will do. Okay. And you need a spoon
Right there.
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're probably all dirty because Lily doesn't know how to wash dishes.
This one's good. Really get in here. And some eggs.
They're in the box. The box. Right there.
Why do you have such a big thing of eggs?
I don't know.
Shit, I'm gonna break them. Oh, shit, I'm just gonna take this whole thing out.
No.
Need some eggs.
How many? 2, 3? No, 2.
I'm not eating this.
2. Danny
really
will.
will
Danny
eat
will.
it.
Danny will.
Yeah,
Danny will. Seriously. Seriously, 2. We'll have 2.
Okay.
Okay, I'm practicing.
Okay. Wait. Are you filming?
Look up We have our crusty bowl.
And you just cracked that egg.
We should have cracked that.
Oh shit. Wait, let me do the other one.
No, I do the other one.
Do it
Screw you.
do it like
I am.
I'm gonna be the camera
Oh, the camera.
host.
Okay, so you just have to.
You guys showed it. Hold it.
No, we have to just mix it up. Mix it up.
Bitch, you're the camera host. No, let me get some milk.
We have to get another one. We have to do another one.
Okay, I want to do it. And then you just crack it. And then
We need to stir the eggs up really quick.
milk.
First, we have to stir it up.
Bitch, I'm the camera host. Add some milk.
Add a lot, like one.
So, bitch, I'm the camera host.
Hell. I beat my slaves. Okay, we have to plug in that microwave, nice and toasty.
Put it in the microwave. Pop it in the microwave.
30 seconds.
For 30 seconds, like Christopher said.
We're following Christopher's instructions, by the way. You could have just pressed this button. And
don't
it's
care.
30 seconds. Now it's a minute. We have to delete it.
You are freaking nigger.
Thanks.
Okay, while we're waiting, we're gonna talk about the next video. These burgers are gonna be killer.
we're gonna make omelets next video, guys.
Yeah, man.
Ew, nice and toasty. They're almost done. We can't let it stop at the. Okay, looks like it's still there, so we have to stir it up.
So now we have to stir it up just a bit
Just stir it up.
and put it in for 45 seconds in the microwave. Nigger, I know. Oh, hi.
Want to talk about your shows from social life? That must not be good.
My name is Christopher Gunter. I love making eggs in the microwave.
Perfect. Alright, so listen.
Why is it not done? I'm doing everything in the video.
Okay, about one more 30 seconds. Christopher, your instructions are fucking wrong.
Christopher, learn how to make eggs in the microwave. Do it like the pros.
Just gotta get that microwave nice and running.
Nice and running. Is Danny
Nice and
even
steer,
awake?
nice and steer.
Nice and steer out.
I'll go check. Let's go see if he's jacking off.
Wait, I'm the camera host.
No, I am. Danny is Emily. Danny, best friend.
He's probably asleep.
Danny, you love me. It's me, Emily. No, it's not. It's Maddie. Come on, Danny. Let us in. What the fuck? Hey, we're making you eggs.
It actually worked.
Danny, come on, get your eggs.
Let me see.
It actually worked. Deadass.
Why?
Get your eggs.
Why?
Okay, it was some salt and pepper in it.
Oh yeah, we need some salt and pepper. Yeah, you are.
Oh no.
Screw you, Danny.
They're not even coming.
I know. We have to add them in for another minute. Yeah.
No, give them
Oh no! We're no look. We have to add the seasoning. Just some eggshell seasoning. That sounds great. Yeah. Who sucks now? We're off all of the instructions.
No, when mom comes home, you guys have to be quiet. Because
Oh,
literally,
look at my face.
I hate your
11
face, I'm
years
sorry.
is-
Yeah, we have bad lighting, so I have to go. So that's it, guys. Come in on our next video. No, we'll eat our eggs because they're nice and crusty and eggshelled. So bye, guys. We'll make our omelet next time.